We all know that buying a house is a big decision and it can be stressful and overwhelming. Here is what we want to avoid. I'm working on your offer. It's 10 p.m. at night, and then you call me on the phone. You say, I love the house, but I'm concerned about the roof. It needs replaced. What else could be wrong? What am I missing? I'm worried I'm making a mistake. If we haven't met before, my name is Lonnie Estep. I help Central Ohio buyers and sellers get it right so you don't end up lying awake at 2 a.m. wondering if you made a mistake. This is what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to say, I understand. Let me walk you through how we should think about handling it. First, this is totally normal. You're not being anxious. You're being thoughtful. That is a good thing. This is a big decision. Second, if you love the house, we can take steps to protect ourselves. But we also have to keep in mind, right now it's still a seller's market. So we need to be cautious about our strategy. Here's what that strategy might look like. We're going to add certain conditions in the contract, and then you're going to hire an inspector who works for you. They're going to try to find what the photos aren't going to show. If the inspection shows major issues, roof, foundation, HVAC, we have options. We can ask for repairs, we can ask for a credit, or we can just walk away and find another house. But we don't guess at 10 p.m. We get data and align our strategy with the contract. I want you to be able to go to sleep confident that you're making the right decision. And if something comes up, we've got a plan. We've got contingencies in the contract. Then the next day we'll make the offer, feeling confident that we have the right strategy. Here's why I'm telling you this. Not because you're in this situation right now, but because when you are ready to buy, I want you to know there is a way through it that doesn't involve lying awake at 2 a.m. So if you're planning on buying or selling a home soon in Central Ohio or the surrounding suburbs and want to talk, text me. My number's in the description. If you want to find out key information in the surrounding cities and suburbs, check out my city guides. Click the link in the description below, and then we'll send them right over to your inbox. Either way, we can make it less stressful.